Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chaz with Battleborn Off-Road in Las Vegas, Nevada. On this 2022 Toyota 4Runner, we just wrapped up the install of a Magnuson Supercharger. This customer's got a lot of nice parts on it, larger BF Goodrich tires, Volk wheels, King suspension. But as you add a lot of those aftermarket items, the vehicle starts to get bogged down with all the added weight. He wanted to gain some of that power back, so he opted for the Magnuson Supercharger. This Supercharger is a 50-state CARB legal system, meaning you can run this anywhere past smog and you'll have no issues. The Supercharger puts out about 6 PSI of boost, which doesn't sound like a whole lot, but that's good for 345 horsepower, which is about 30% more than factory. On top of that, Magnuson backs this Supercharger with a 3-year, 36,000 mile powertrain warranty. So you don't have to have any fears about blowing up the motor, blowing up the transmission, and then not being able to get warranty work from the dealer. Magnuson stands behind everything that they sell. They're very well engineered. This kit took about a day and a half for us to install. You can see it sits right on top where the intake manifold used to be. It's got its own cooling system, which you can kind of see back here. Very high quality components. It's all made in California at Magnuson's facility. It uses an Eaton Roots type blower, and it's just a solid system overall. Customer's going to gain back a lot of the power that he lost from the larger tires, and it should be significantly quicker than stock. There are other aftermarket options out there in terms of Superchargers, but we prefer the Magnuson because it's the safest and most proven system on the market. And on top of that, if you're looking for a little bit more boost, you're looking for a little bit more power, there are plenty of aftermarket parts such as a tune from Yoda Works, smaller pulleys, exhaust systems that will really wake this Supercharger up. So if you're looking for a Magnuson blower and you're in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, be sure to check us out at battlebornoffroad.net. We are the largest Magnuson dealer in the state of Nevada, and we install everything they sell. We appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys soon.